Hey everyone! Welcome to this straightforward tutorial on how to send Bitcoin from Uphold to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced trader, transferring assets between exchanges is essential for managing your portfolio, and I'll guide you through it step by step to keep things simple and secure. As always, remember that crypto transactions involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First, ensure you have verified accounts on both Uphold and Kucoin, and that you have some Bitcoin in your Uphold wallet. Start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your Bitcoin holdings. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets section. Next, select the Bitcoin you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw or Send button. This will open a form where you'll need the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Kucoin account. Go to the Assets page, find Bitcoin, and click on Deposit. Kucoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's case sensitive and any mistake could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Head back to Uphold and paste the Kucoin deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, but make sure it's above the minimum withdrawal limit to avoid issues. You'll also see network fees here, so keep an eye on those to understand the total cost. Before confirming, review all the details one more time: the address, amount, and network, like Bitcoin's blockchain. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, possibly with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Finally, jump back to Kucoin and check your Bitcoin balance in the Assets section to confirm the funds have arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. In 2025, crypto processes might have slight updates, so always verify with the platforms. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that knowledge together.